Elements has specific workspaces to offer different levels of flexibility in editing your images in the editor, and I would recommend that you spend most of your time there. However, sometimes you'll be working in the organiser, and as you'll just see something that you want to quickly fix about an image. In that case, you can try applying photo fix options, which are available from right here in the organiser. To open the photo fix options, go to the task pane at the bottom of the organiser and click on the Instant Fix button. This will open up the task pane at the right hand side with the photo fix options on. Now I'll go into the media browser and I'll click on an image that I want to fix, and then I can just go over and click on the fix that I want. Well, let's try a levels and see what this does. Now I'd like to see the effect of this adjustment and compare it to the original. Well, I can do that. If we look here, we've got what's called a version set, and what Elements has done is it's added the adjustment to the image and it's combined them both in a set. Here you can see this dark area. So now here we've got the original image and here we've got the fixed image, all kept together. So if I click this little triangle, I'll collapse that. If I click the little triangle again, I'll open up the version set so I can see both images. Now you can see straight away which one's the corrected version because it's got this little paintbrush icon in the corner. Now you could also see by the file name, but at the moment we can't see any file names, they're not showing by default. So let's go and turn them on. I'm going to go up here to the View menu and I'm going to come down, I'm going to click on Details, and that will show some details, the star rating and the date. If I want more details, I'm going back up to View, but this time I'm going to click File Names, and now you can see we have file names underneath. So this is the first image, the original, the Instant Fix. This is the one that's been edited, and what it does, it puts on edited dash on whatever number. So this is Instant Fix edited 1. Another thing to know about the photo fix options is that they are cumulative. So if you click on another fix, it will add it on top of the fix you have already added, as long as that fixed photo is selected. Now let's imagine I think this could do with a little help with the colour. So I'm going to go across into the photo fix options and I'm going to click on the colour fix. And that adds a little bit of colour fix. I'll click it again. So I've now got two colour fixes. You can see that the colour has intensified and the contrast is increased as well. Now if you think this has gone a little bit too far, what you can do is you can remove the fixes that you've done. So if I go down to the bottom taskbar, and here we've got an undo button, and if you hover over it, it'll tell you what it's going to undo. So if I click now, I'm going to undo that last auto colour. And if I click again, I'll click the first auto colour. So now all I'm left with is my levels adjustment. Now let's say I'm fed up with this, it's not going in the direction I want to go in, so I want to delete this fixed image. That's no problem. I can right click on it and I can select delete from catalogue. This will come up with a confirm deletion dialog, and it says, do you want just to remove this from the catalogue, or do you also want to delete this from the hard disk? Well, I don't want this taking up space on my hard disk, so I'm going to click and put a tick in there and then click OK. That fixed version has now been taken out of the catalogue and it's been erased from the hard disk completely. And I'm just left with my original. So, give these various adjustments a try. I think you'll find that they might save you a lot of time, and they're quick and easy to apply.